The last section of this chapter involves interest portfolio problems. Now, what a portfolio is, it is one or more investments that are held by a single investor. So in this case, look, when Chandra was 8 years old, an investment portfolio was started for her education. So because it mentions a portfolio, there's going to be at least 2 investments on her behalf. So the first, her parents deposit $450 every 3 months into a savings account that earns 4.5% compounded quarterly. This is the first investment. The second, her grandparents invested $5,000 in a trust account that earns an average annual interest rate of 6% compounded annually. Now, Chandra plans to redeem her portfolio when she turns 18 to pay for university. So we're looking for the value of her portfolio. So of these 2 portfolios, there's one that is initiated by her parents and a second one initiated by her grandparents. And to save some time, I'm going to use the TVM solver and the graphing calculator. So if we look at this, the end value represents the number of compounding periods over the course of the investment. Now, right now, she's 8 and she plans to turn in or use this investment when she's 18. This first investment by her parents, the interest is compounded quarterly. So that's 4 times a year for 10 years because she plans to, the investment is for from now when she's 8 until when she's 18. So this will be 40 total compounding periods. The interest rate is 4.5%. Her present value is 0. Right at the moment, her parents haven't put in anything, but they are making regular payments. So this again is represented by a negative, so negative $450. The future value we're looking for, the payments per year, since the payments are every 3 months, that's 4 times a year, and the compounding periods per year are also 4 times. Now if we use the TVM solver here and go to apps, finance, the TVM solver, and we substitute this information in, 40 for N, 4.5, 0, and negative 450. We'll skip past the future value and enter 4 in for the payments and compounding per year. And go back and hit alpha and enter. This investment portfolio, by the time she's 18, will be worth $22,575.07. Now, if we look at her grandparents, the investment that they made on her behalf, if we look, her grandparents invest $5,000 and the interest rate is 6% and it's compounded annually. So the compounding periods, it's only going to be once a year for 10 years. So this is 10 total compounding periods. The interest rate will be 6%. Her present value is $5,000. That's what's being invested. And again, it's represented by a negative, so negative $5,000. There are no payments in this account. The future value we're looking for, it's 1 payment per year, and the compounding periods per year are 1. So these have to be the same for the TVM solver. Now in this case, if we use this again, so we're going to change the n to 10. The interest rate at 6%, negative 5,000 for the present value, 0, and 1, and 1. And then highlight the future value and press alpha and enter. This investment will be worth $8,954.24. So if we look at the total value of these 2 investments, what we would do is we would add the values together. So the total value is going to be $22,575.07 plus $8,954.24. And when you add these together, we get the total value of her investment is $31,529.31.